Good morning everyone, I'm your mentor Devanshu and I welcome you all to the reports and indices session on EduTap. And guys, today the topic of the discussion is World Press Freedom Index 2021. And guys, the reports and indices plays a very important part when it comes to the RBI, SEBI and NABARD exam. And guys, if you talk about the order of importance for these exams, then reports and indices are more important for RBI and NABARD as compared to the SEBI exam. And guys, in the past, the questions based on the reports and indices have been asked in the phase 1 as well as phase 2 of the exams. And guys, that's why today we are going to discuss the reports and indices. And guys, if you are new to our YouTube channel, kindly subscribe it and press the bell icon to receive all the latest updates of the videos as well as the courses offered by us. And guys, you can also join our Telegram channel to get the access to the PDFs of the lectures. And guys, the link to join the Telegram channel is being given in the description. And we are also running the daily exam booster series, under which there are 3 series, that is general awareness series taken by Ritika Rehal ma'am, ESI current affairs series taken by Gurkirat sir, and reports and indices are being taken by myself. So guys, let's start the session. Let's get started. So guys, if we talk about the World Press Freedom Index 2021, it has been released by the French-based NGO, that is Reporters Without Borders. If we talk about the first edition of the index, then it was launched in year 2002. And guys, the World Press Freedom Index 2021, it measures the freedom available to the journalists in the nation. And guys, according to the World Press Freedom Index 2021, journalism is the vaccine against the disinformation. And guys, this particular vaccine has been blocked in more than 130 countries as per the reports of the World Press Freedom Index 2021. And guys, if we talk about India, then India has been placed at 142nd rank in the World Press Freedom Index 2021. And guys, it also classifies India as the most dangerous countries for the journalists. Now guys, let us look into the more details of the rankings, that who are the top performers as well as the worst performers of the index. So guys, whenever we cover the rankings of the index, we are required to cover the top performer of the index, the worst performer of the index, as well as India's rank. And guys, India's rank is the most important part, followed by the top and worst performers of the index. And if we talk about the top performer of the World Press Freedom Index 2021, then it has been topped by Norway with a score of 6.72, followed by Finland and Sweden. And guys, if we talk about the score, then index gives the scores to the countries on a scale of 0 to 100, where 0 defines the best case scenario and 100 shows the worst case scenario. And guys, if we talk about the Norway, it has got a score of 6.72. and guys, if we talk about the worst performer of the index, then Eritrea is the nation which has been at the bottom of the World Press Freedom Index 2021 with a score of 81.45. and guys, if we talk about the India's rank, which is very most important from the exam point of view, then India has been ranked at 142nd position with a score of 46.56. and guys, please mark star here, that score of India as well as the India's rank is very much important from exam point of view. And guys, if we talk about these scores, these are being given on the basis of some criteria. Let's discuss that what are these criteria. And if you talk about the index, then it analyzes the nations on the basis of 7 criteria. And guys, here the first criteria is pluralism, which measures the extent, which measures the degree of the opinion represented by the media. And guys, the next criteria is the media independence, which measures the degree of independence, the degree to which the media houses functions independently without any influence of any powerful entity. So whether it is government, businesses or any other entity, it measures the independency of the media houses. And guys, the third one is the legislative framework, which measures the impact of legislative framework on the news and information producing activities. And guys, if you talk about the transparency, then this criteria identifies the transparency taken or followed by in the procedures as well as the manners in order to produce the information as well as news. And if we talk about the next criteria, that is infrastructure, in which the index measures the quality of the infrastructure used for the production of the news as well as the information. And guys, if we talk about the abuses, that is the next criteria. Under the abuses, the index measures the abuse as well as the violence level of the journalist. that is the level of violence faced by the journalist. And guys, the last index is the environment and self censorship. And guys, in this particular criteria, the index measures analyzes the environment under which these kind of news and information producing activities takes place. And guys, on the basis of these 7 criteria, the nations have been categorized in 5 categories. And guys, these 5 categories are being showed with the help of some colors. And now let us look into the details at what are these colors and how these colors indicates the countries. And guys, if you talk about the colors, then you can observe that this map indicates the nations with the help of some colors. And guys, these colors are red, black, orange, yellow and white. And guys, now let us look at what these colors indicates. And guys, if we talk about the white color, then it shows the score of 0 to 15 points and describes the nation in a good situation in terms of journalism. And if we talk about the yellow, then it shows the score from 15.01 to 25 points, describing the nation as a satisfactory situation. And if you talk about the orange color, then it shows the score from 25.01 to 35 points and describes the nation in a problematic situation. And if you talk about the red color, guys, then red color denotes the score from 35.01 to 55 points. And guys, it describes the nation in a difficult situation. And guys, we all know that India has been shown here in the red color. And guys, India is in the difficult situation. So guys, please mark star here that India is in the difficult situation as per the report. And guys, if you talk about the last color, that is the black color, then it shows the score of 55.01 to 100 points and describes that nation is in a very serious situation. So guys, that was all. Now let us move on to the findings of the index. And if we talk about the key findings of the index, here we have a table which shows the number of countries as per the categories. And if we talk about the good situation, then there are 12 countries which are in the good situation as per the World Press Freedom Index 2021. And guys, if we talk about the yellow color, that is the satisfactory situation, then there are 36 nations under this category. 59 nations are in the category of problematic situation, 52 are in the category of difficult situation, while 21 are in the category of very serious situation, which is being shown by the black color. And guys, if you talk about the other key important findings, then we can see that as per the index, journalism is completely or partly blocked in 73% of the 180 countries. Guys, please mark star here, as it is very important finding of the index. And guys, apart from this, the index also shows that only 12 nations out of the 180 assessed nations, that's only 7% have claimed to offer favorable environment for the journalism. And if we talk about the next finding, then it says that the 59% of respondents in 28 countries has said that the journalists have deliberately tried to mislead the public by reporting information that they know that it was false. So guys, that is once again a very serious concern. Now let us move on to the India specific findings, which is very much important from the exam point of view. And guys, if we talk about the India specific findings, here you can see that there is a banner of stop attacks on journalists. And guys, this is the reason, these attacks are the reason that why India has been ranked 142nd in the 2021. And guys, in 2020 also India's rank was 142. And in 2016 we can see here that India's rank was 133, and which shows that India's performance in the World Press Freedom Index has decreased, has fallen down a lot. And guys, apart from this, India has also fared poorly among its neighbors, as its neighbors like Sri Lanka, Nepal, Myanmar and Bhutan are placed in the better position as compared to India in the World Press Freedom Index 2021. And guys, this index also classifies India as bad for journalism along with the Brazil, Russia and Mexico. And guys, this particular index also shows that journalists are being exposed to every kind of attack in India. And guys, these attacks include the police violence against reporters, the reprisals instigated by criminal groups and ambushes by the political activists or corrupt local officials. And guys, this is the very reason that India has in the last year lost one of its very fine journalists, that is this particular personality. And guys, you are required to answer, you are required to tell me by identifying the name of the personality in the comment section below. And guys, that was all from the India specific findings. Now let us look that whether you have gathered all the key takeaways from the session or not. And guys, we are going to do that with the help of the small MCQ series. Now guys, let's start the series with the first question. And guys, the first question says, which among the following organization has recently released the World Press Freedom Index 2021? And guys, here you are required to tell me the releasing body of the World Press Freedom Index 2021, and this is the very first dimension of the report which we have covered in this particular session. And guys, you are required to answer me the question in the comment section below, and if we talk about the right answer, then guys, the right answer is the Reporters Without Borders. Now let us move on to the next question, and it says, which one of the following country has topped the recently released World Press Freedom Index 2021? And guys, you have to tell me the country which has topped the index. And guys, the options are New Zealand, Sweden, Finland, Norway and Denmark. And guys, please answer the question in the comment section below that which country has topped the index. And guys, if we talk about the right answer of the question, then it has been topped by option D, that is Norway. So guys, Norway is the nation which has topped the World Press Freedom Index 2021. So guys, now let us move on to the next question, and the next question asks, according to the recently released World Press Freedom Index 2021, what is the rank of India? So guys, here one more important point which was marked star in the previous slides, that what exactly is India's rank in the World Press Freedom Index 2021? And guys, please answer the question in the comment section below. And guys, see, the right answer of the question is option number B, that is 142. So guys, India's rank is 142 in the World Press Freedom Index 2021. And now guys, it's a time of googly question. Now let us see that how many of you are going to hit a cracking shot and how many of you are going to lose their wicket. So guys, the googly question is here on your screen. So which among the following organizations has recently released the second World Ocean Assessment Report? And guys, the options are United Nations, World Bank, World Wildlife Fund for the Nature, Stockholm International Water Institute and the International Water Resource Association. So guys, here you are once again required to tell me the releasing body. And guys, the right answer of the question is United Nations. So guys, now let us move on to the next question from the session itself, and this question says, as per the recently released World Press Freedom Index 2021, in how many categories does the countries are categorized? So guys, you are required to tell me the categories, the number of categories in which these 180 nations have been categorized by the World Press Freedom Index 2021. And guys, if we talk about the right answer, then the right answer to the particular question is option C, that is 5. As we all know that there are 5 colors which indicates these particular categories on the basis of some scores. And guys, if we talk about the India, then India was defined by a red color, that is the difficult situation. Now guys, let us move on to the next question. And guys, the last question here is, which among the following statement is wrong as per the recently released World Press Freedom Index 2021? And guys, here the statements are, World Press Freedom Index 2021 ranks 180 countries. As per the index, India is categorized as country in the difficult situation. The option C says North Korea is ranked at last position as per the ranking of the index. And guys, option D says both B and C, and option E says none of the above. So guys, here you are required to tell me the wrong statement. Guys, see, here you are required to find out the wrong statement, and then you are required to tell me the right option in the comment section below. And guys, if we talk about the right answer of this particular question, then the right answer is North Korea is ranked at last position as per the ranking of the index, that is option C. And guys, we all know that the country which was at the last position was Eritrea. So guys, once again a question which was based on the worst performer, but it has been asked in some another form. So guys, that was all from today's session. Now there is a time of the homework question. And guys, the homework question is, as per the recently released report Rural Health Statistics 1920, which of the following medical specialists should be the part of the community health centers? And guys, the options are physician, surgeon, pediatricians, gynecologist, and the all of the above. So guys, answer the question in the comment section below, and I am going to answer this particular question in the upcoming session. So guys, now if you talk about the homework question of the previous lecture, then the question was, State of the Global Climate for 2020 report was released recently, and where is the headquarter of the organization located which has released the report? So guys, you were required to tell me the name of the headquarter of the organization which has released this particular report. And guys, the right answer to the question is Geneva. Now guys, the question arises that which organization has released the report? Then guys, the organization which has released the report is the World Meteorological Organization. And guys, this particular organization is being based in Geneva. So to answer these kind of questions, you must remember the name of the organization which has released the report. And guys, apart from that, the headquarters of these organizations are also very important from exam point of view. So guys, that was all. And guys, if we talk about the star performers of the last session, then they were Dr. Bhagwan Reddy and Ritesh Chandra. So congratulations to both of you guys. And guys, if you are want your name here in the next session, then kindly answer the question in the comment section below. So guys, that was all from today's session, and I hope that this particular session was very much useful and fruitful to all of you. And guys, if you have liked it, then press the thumbs up in the YouTube video. And guys, if you have any query related to the exam or to the any other thing related to exam, then you can drop us a mail at hello@edutab.co.in, and you can also call us at 8146207241. So guys, till the next session, stay healthy, stay happy. Wish you all happy learning.